29 forecast.
As we know, early March is here, and yes, spring is well underway with the mild winter that we've had. Here's a bee on a nice blossoming tree, and that captured by Joel Carver. And then over on grounds at UVA, I believe this is a flowering magnolia. It's gorgeous, and you can see that nice shot that Jim Carpenter took recently. Let's take a look at our numbers. We were down in the mid-30s at the airport this morning. Some of us were in the upper 20s. Made it up to a high of 57 this afternoon, which is spot on for our average daytime high for this 8th day of March. 53 the current reading. Skies are clear. The wind is light or calm, and that's going to mean more in the way of some frost developing overnight and toward morning. 47 the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. 27 was the morning low. Made it up to a high of 53 this afternoon. Some other numbers include 52 in Orange, 50 there in Palmyra, 52 currently in Livingston, 48 in Waynesboro, 47 both in Stanton and Harrisonburg. So temperatures tonight generally in the low 30s across Central Virginia, upper 20s north and west. And as we again will likely see some frost with the wind going calm or light. Now tomorrow, pretty pleasant day. It's a dry day, sunshine, temperatures upper 50s to around 60 across the Piedmont of Central Virginia, middle 50s across the Shenandoah Valley. Things will change in a big way here for Friday. Pretty much a raw day. We'll have the onset of the precipitation likely arriving before daybreak, so that would promote a little bit of a wintry mix, some snow, some sleet, and then basically going over to a chilly rain. Now, while we're not expecting a lot, we could have some snowflakes or some sleet pellets falling early Friday morning, and then the system will clear out for Saturday, but it'll be gusty in terms of any wind. I think any accumulations, basically grassy areas, elevated surfaces, roadways should just remain wet, but there could be a little bit of light snow across the Piedmont of Central Virginia. You climb with elevation in the valley, maybe a little bit more, but I don't think this is looking like any big snow event. Of course, we've seen so far throughout the winter, basically areas north and west seeing a little bit of mixed precipitation. Otherwise, we're just dealing with a chilly rain. Speaking of rainfall amounts, likely a quarter inch or less. Things are quiet now. We have a big sprawling area of high pressure that's over Canada, building down through the Great Lakes, basically protecting the eastern seaboard here. The front that came through yesterday is stalled down across the Gulf coastal region where there are some showers, but the next storm system is organizing out across the Intermountain West. Will pull out into the plains, snow on its northern side through the upper Midwest and northern plain states, and that'll be the system pushing east for us as we move into Friday. Yes, colder air, and the overall trend is going to be basically for cooler than average numbers, especially as we get into next week. So again, a cool pattern. 20s and 30s tomorrow morning, some areas of frost. As we move into the afternoon, a pleasant day, mid 50s to around 60. We cloud up tomorrow night. Early Friday morning, the onset of precipitation could be some snow or some sleet, then it goes over to chilly rain, and then that will kind of taper off as we head into the afternoon with just some leftover light rain and drizzle. But temperatures are no bargain here on Friday in the upper 30s and low 40s. Late Sunday night, the next system rolls in. That could play out similar areas north and west, maybe a little wintry mix, otherwise a chilly rain. Clear and cold tonight, areas of frost, upper 20s, low 30s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures remaining on the cool side. We'll watch that Friday system, a break on Saturday, but it will be gusty with some of the wind. And then late Sunday night into Monday, the next chance. Of course, this is the weekend that we spring ahead 1 hour with the clocks.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.